Okay, for 855, they want us to simplify. So 6 to the 5th, and again, you don't need to show this work, but that's 6 times itself 5 times, right? So 6 times 6 is 36 times 6. And again, for this, I mean, you can use long multiplication or just take out a calculator. If you multiply all these together, you're going to end up with 7,776, right? For B, 2 to the third, remember what it means, or sorry, 2/3. It means we're taking 2/3 and multiplying it by itself 3 times, right? So 2 times 2 times 4 is 8, and 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, right? Another way to think of it is, so that's 8/27, is 2 to the third over 3 to the third, which is 2 times 2 times 2 over 3 times 3 times 3. This is, this is not simplified clearly, but it's equivalent. So 8/27 is simplified. The next one, 2 plus 3 to the 4th, clearly we simplify that, right? And we get 5 to the 4th, right? So that means 5 times itself 4 times, right? 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125, times 5 is 625 for C. And D, we need to simplify what's inside of the parentheses. So -1/2 in fourths is -2/4 plus 3/4, right? Get a common denominator. So -2 plus 3, that's 1/4 to the third. And now order of operations, right? We have to do our exponents first. So this is really 2 times 1/4 times 1/4 times 1/4, right? So that's equivalent. I'm going to come up here, right? 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. So that's 2 times 1/64, or 2/64, which reduces to 1/32 for part D.